welcome back to my channel and I hope you're having an amazing day. So today I'm going to cook my all-time favorite paratha, that is Lachha Paratha. You can also call it as Indian flatbread. It is super crispy on the outside and it has many layers. So yeah, just let's get into the kitchen and start cooking. Firstly, take 1 cup of flour in a bowl and add some salt to it. By adding water gradually, just knead it until everything comes together. Add some oil and knead it. This will just make sure that your dough will be super soft. Just cover it and let it sit around. Just divide your dough into 3 equal parts, which means 1 cup of flour makes around 3 parathas. Just take a piece and roll it out as thin as possible. It doesn't need to be circular in shape. Just apply some ghee and flour over it and spread it using your fingers, and this will just make all your layers super defined. Now just create these thin pleats, and remember that the thinner the pleats will be, the more layers you can create. Just stretch it out lightly and vertically roll it. Stretch the end portion and tuck it under. I'm going to let these rolls rest for around 5 to 10 minutes. You can just roll it out gently. I'm going to flavor this one with the dried herbs that I have. Apply some water over it. And first goes in is the dried fenugreek leaves, also known as kasuri methi. And then my dried mint leaves. Apply some water over it again to make sure that everything sticks together. Now just place it on the hot pan and cook it on both sides before you apply ghee, because if you apply ghee before cooking it, it can just block all the layers. So now just cook it until it's crispy and crunchy on both the sides. Now for the garlic flavored one, I'm just going to take some chopped garlic and press it gently over my dough. Roll it out and place it on the heat and cook it until both the sides are crispy. Before you serve, just crunch up your paratha a bit. This will just separate all the layers. Hope you like this recipe, and these parathas go well with any curry or simply with butter. So yeah, don't forget to like, share and subscribe because it really helps, and I hope to see you back in my next video.